Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Chrome to manage HTTPS security and site permissions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser. Click on those dots to open the Chrome menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. You will see various options related to site security. Select Site Settings from the list. Under Site Settings, you will find a section dedicated to permissions. Click on Permissions to view available options. To manage HTTPS security, look for Insecure Content. Here, you can decide how Chrome handles non-secure content. Select the desired behavior for sites that you visit. Then, return to the Site Settings menu. Next, click on Cookies and Site Data. This section allows you to manage how cookies are handled. Ensure that you toggle on Allow sites to save and read cookie data. Now, go back to the Site Settings. Find and click on JavaScript. Here, you can control whether websites can run JavaScript. Toggle it to allowed or restrict it as needed. Returning to the main Site Settings menu, locate pop-ups and redirects. Choose your preferred setting for handling pop-ups. It's time to authorize specific sites for enhanced permissions. Scroll to find Additional Content Settings. Click to expand this section. Select Unsandboxed Plugin Access if you need specific plugin permissions. In the drop-down provided, add websites you want to manage permissions for. For fine-tuning HTTPS settings, go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down to Advanced. Click to expand the advanced options. Under System, ensure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is toggled on. This can improve performance and security. Finally, after adjusting all settings, close the Settings tab. Your changes take effect immediately, enhancing your browsing experience. Now, revisit any website to see how it responds to your new permissions. You have successfully authorized Google Chrome to manage HTTPS security and site permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.